Tipu's marriage was decided to Roshan Begum of Arcot. But Tipu could not have forgotten Ruqayya's helping hands in bad days. He did not go against his father, but he made proposal to marry Ruqayya also against his father. Tipu was married to Roshan Begum and Ruqayya in 1774.
We should plan like Britishers to force them to leave our country, Tipu.
You're right, Abu. We must have to expend our strength and army.
I am brooding over talking neighbors. Considering the circumstances, we can talk with French army.
And if we succeed in our tricks, we will achieve our target, Abu. But they could not succeed. Hyder Ali's tension began to mount. France could not give them helping hands to that extent. On the other hand, Maratha and Nizam went astray because of Britishers and forced Hyder Ali to war. Roshan Begum, Ruqayya, come, both of you come. I have invited you for a specific reason.
Okay, we are at your command.
Look, Abu has become old and he has lots of responsibilities to shoulder them. Then it is our duty to support him, to fight with enemies. I am in need of you.
Okay, we are at command.
Then see me off with a wide smile of yours, so that I could perform my duty. Tipu left for war, getting permitted from Ruqayya and Roshan Begum, and indulged in war with full strength. Tipu captured Sira, Medigiri, Guram Konda, Chanarre Durg, Escort, Bailari, and so on. Tipu proved his strength at the war place. British army attacked on Mysore in 1780. Colonel Bailey reached at Port Blair River's northern bank with 6,000 soldiers. Hyder Ali sent 3,000 soldiers to help Tipu out, but 3,000 soldiers were less than British army. Tipu has got to know that Britishers have hidden their gunpowder in the valley. Tipu shot his tanks towards the valley. Attack! Attack! The gunpowder ruined in a trice. Britishers were flabbergasted. Colonel Bailey was arrested. When he was being bandaged, Tipu helped him. Bailey's blood dripped from his wound at the hand of Tipu.
Oh, sorry, Sultan.
Don't say sorry, Bailey. You are brave. Look at my blood. We have same color of blood. Same color of blood. Then battle for what, Colonel? Bailey felt shame on himself that time. But British thought to insult Tipu. The rumors were doing round that Tipu attacked on British. Even they accepted the defeat. Tipu was not pleased to know it, but he did not keep mum. He won many forts after that.
Bravo, my son. Words fail me to appreciate you. You have done a great job. I am proud of you. British are interested in making history, but I am sure that whoever would write down it, my son would be mentioned in history with a great respect.
Sultan!
What happened, Ghazi Khan?
We have got a wind of British attack on Malabar.
Okay, then I leave for Malabar. Tipu took 2 months to reach Malabar. British got scared when Tipu got there, and they came back to Pune. Likewise, Tipu saved Mysore without waging war, but their stars were crossed. Hyder Ali got sick and passed away. Hyder Ali's trustworthy Purnia sent many messages to tell the situation. 32 years old Tipu broke down when he got over these wars. Abu? Tipu observed obsequies of his father and took charge of Mysore. What is this, Purnia ji?
This is the list who went against us.
Oh, forget it. Britishers are our enemy. I forgive our prisoners as they belong to our land. Sheikh Ayaz showed his true colors, who belonged to Tipu's army, and gave the charge of Vaidanur to British. British marched towards Anantapur after that, and Narayan Rao faced them, but he lost the battle. British commander ordered to hand Narayan Rao to death and ruin Anantapur. Tipu was helped by French, but England and France had made treaty on 9th of January 1783. So they could not go against each other. French soldiers came back. In spite of that, Tipu defeated British. British made peace with him after getting defeated. There was peace for a short period of time, and British kept planning. They bribed Tipu's commander Karim Ali and Muhammad Ali. They befriended the Marathas and Nizam and attacked on Mysore. Commit atrocities on Mysore people. Shoot aside orders have been issued. Kill those who are against us, so that nobody would do it again, and give up the idea to fight with anyone. Bribe everybody, so that they could leave Tipu and support us Britishers. Who is the supporter? Give him a lot of money. War broke out rapidly. Forts were hit by the tanks. Giving her condolences to widower, Rokhaya Begum was shot dead and passed away. Britishers encroached most of the area and barged into the fort. Tipu made proposal to peace. Britishers demanded a huge amount of money to make peace with him. Tipu's 8 years and 5 years old kids were taken hostage till their demands were not met. Mysore's people contributed to collect the money. Tipu pulled himself together to fight again, but his soldiers and army men were befriended by Britishers. Tipu defeated at Ward Place, and Tipu was attacked by General Valjali. Tipu's enemies supported Britishers. Britishers won the Mysore fort at last at one afternoon. Tipu fought with them last time with his brave soldiers. Suddenly, some British soldiers spotted Tipu and he was shot. The tiger of Mysore left for heavenly abode, but his bravery against Britishers is immortal. He will be known as a country's icon.